Hi to all of you. Greetings from WealthWiseTV again. Today, we're going to explore a subject that is essential to financial success, making a workable budget. This video is for you if you're trying to manage your money better, paying off debt, or saving for a major purchase. But before we get started, remember to hit the bell button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our insightful financial advice. Come on, let's get going. Step 1. Recognize your income. Knowing your income is the first step in making a budget. Examine your pay stubs and any additional revenue sources you may have, such as side gigs or freelancing. Having a clear understanding of your income is essential to creating a sound financial plan. Step 2. Enumerate your bills. Let's go to Step 2, which is to make a list of your expenses. Organize your spending by allocating funds for things like housing, utilities, groceries, entertainment, and transport. Remember those deceptive subscription services? They add up. You'll be able to see exactly where your money is going after taking this step. Step 3. Distinguish between variable and fixed expenses. Make a distinction between your fixed and variable costs after you've identified your spending. Rent and mortgage payments are examples of fixed expenses that often don't change every month. Expenses that are variable, like groceries and entertainment, can change. Spending can be prioritized if you are aware of these differences. Step 4. Establish financial objectives. Let's now discuss financial goal setting. Whether your goals are to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or develop an emergency fund, having specific goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Smart goal setting is defining your objectives as being clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 5. Establish your budget. Now that you have a firm grasp on your earnings, outlays, and objectives, it's time to draft your budget. There are other approaches to budgeting, such as zero-based budgeting and the 50-30-20 rule. Decide what is most effective for you, then spend your money appropriately. Step 6. Monitor your expenses. After creating your budget, remember to keep tabs on your expenses. There's no shortage of tools and applications to assist you in keeping tabs on your financial expenditures. This phase is essential for maintaining focus and making necessary corrections. That's it, a thorough how-to on making a budget that suits our American audience. Recall that achieving financial success is a process, rather than a goal. Give this video a thumbs up and forward it to everyone you know who could use some advice on budgeting. Remember to share your budgeting experiences and ask any questions you may have in the comments section below. Until we speak again, keep your money smart. Please make sure to watch our other videos on our channel if you like this one and would like to learn more about finances. I'll see you in the next one, and please subscribe for regular updates. Happy budgeting and be careful!